And so I need to kind of undo that a little bit by using just a regular foundation brush that probably still has a little foundation on it, and just kind of brush through that. You don't want it to be that obvious. There. Yeah, that's not so bad. I can deal with that. Okay, so now what? This is going to be 15 videos long, because I was going to say that's all, but then I thought, I don't have my mascara on. Don't have all no mascara. So what you gonna do about that? I need some coffee. And an eyelash curler. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury eyelash curler, which I love. And this has clearly had time to dry. Oh, I got a little bit of fallout, y'all. And you know what's bad? Here's the bad thing about when I used my dual fiber brush for highlighter. Now it's got highlighter all over it. And the dual fiber or fan brush, you can use the fan brush, is great because the end is so flimsy to just flick things off. So get this excess product that I got on my nose off, and right underneath my eye right there, and the top of my cheek there. I got some, and on that side of my nose. Oh, and on the crux of my nose. Wow, that actually blended in. It doesn't want to flick off. Not good. Okay. Had to go a little harder with that. And it actually made this look red. You know what, y'all? I think I do need to set that with powder. I've never had to do that before. I don't remember having to do that before. Do I have some... I know I have some, there, Bye Bye Pores. Just use that, I guess. And it has a little beauty sponge. But you know what? I'm going to use my beauty blender and just see if that works better. But I mainly just want right in here. Yep, that's all I wanted. I don't want to go under my eyes with this. I can even turn it so that where the powder was is now not what I'm using, and I'm getting it off. Okay, do you see where I accidentally just touched that and it instantly highlighted the wrinkle? That's why you don't want to use powder as an older woman. Do not do it. I just proved it. That was an accident. So now that actually looks very wrinkledy because I put powder in a wrinkle. Don't ever put powder in a wrinkle. You know who really talks about baking and doing that is young girls. And it does not work if you're older. Matter of fact, I will tell you, young girls, if you keep that up, you're going to be setting your wrinkles. It's not baking and putting powder on top of your concealer is not the way to set it. I don't care what anybody says. It makes you look older. I'm just telling you. I'm just saying. It do. And you may say, well, then what do I do? Use your beauty blender and take some of that product back off. And you've got too much on there if you have to set it with powder like that. It's just, that means there's too much product. All right, so I'm going to use my Maybelline Rocket Mascara. And so I'm going to lightly touch down on my lid. Mainly getting the tip end of my lashes straight up. And I love using an eyelash curler and then waterproof mascara because it really does make, as soon as you let go, it makes those lashes stay in the position that you just crimped them in. That's what you're doing. You're crimping. I'm going to do it twice. Make sure I got all the lashes. I'm going to let it out a little and curl them back. Raise your elbow and turn this back towards your socket, and that makes more of a C or a curled shape versus an L straight up shape. Perfect. You know, and you just may have one lash that doesn't want to do anything. I see one there that he's just mad. He does not want to. That's just it, probably because I call it a he. It's a she. It's a she lash because I'm a she. I'm still seeing where some fallout got right there. I probably should put powder there first. And then it wouldn't have set into the product. I'll let that out a little. starts there. There. I gotta hurry. This thing's gonna cut off. You know it will. What am I doing? Wiping with a towel, never a tissue. Tissue will come off on that little rubber piece. Wiping off any eye boogie residue. Always, 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 always wipe off your eyelash curler right after you use it with a towel. And that's why you should have a makeup towel handy, because it needs to be